Hello everyone, welcome to eMix's 3-minute lesson. Today we're going to be practicing to understand how to do train directions. Here we have a question form. This is often something that you would like to practice yourself if you are a tourist in another country, but focused on tourists who come here. This is just an example. It can often change, but generally we have, excuse me, could you tell me how to get to Nandaka from here? The word get to is very important, okay? So let's follow that form. Answer forms is, of course, we do want to say yes. You will need, and here we have two forms. Either or is fine, it's very casual. Let's take to get on. Yes, you will need to get on the Nandaka line. Yes, you will need to take the Nandaka line. Okay, so to get on and to take. The preposition to. Okay, we see a phrasal verb get on. That's very casual. Here on these asterisks, of course, this is an optional form of extra directions. One optional form is if you are knowledge to know where the train is directing itself, going towards. That's, for example, the Sobu local line. If we are going towards Tokyo, perhaps the last line will be Matake or Nakano. Another one is also optional. We have the platform. If you are aware of the platform number 1, 2, and so on, please add that to your direction skills. And then we follow it with these two forms of future tenses, will be. As we see, the first future tense will use stations. The second future tense will use minutes. What this means is the count of how many stations from A point to B point. Over here we can see how the stations might be in minutes, such as stations times the minutes. Often in 3-minute stations would be like Sobusen, Tozai line, and above ground, and 2 minutes for subway lines, Tokyo subway lines, and just multiply the station to the number of minutes. Coming back here, if we don't know the precise amount of minutes or the precise amount of stations, we can use the 3 A's. A, about, A, around, or A, almost. Added to this with the stations and the minutes will give a clear understanding of how many stations and how many minutes. Here on the second part is a transfer or change to another line. Here we can see this sentence, then get off at Nandaka and take the, or again get on the Nandaka line. Let's take for an example a Motiwata station to Kinsjo. Here, excuse me, could you tell me how to get to Kinsjo station from here? Yes, you will need to take the local Sobu line going towards Nakano on platform 1. It will be 6 stations. It will be about 18 minutes. All of this other stuff is not needed. So, a very short way of learning how to use the correct prepositions, the verb forms, and sentence structure. Good luck. Thank you.